Here with me is another JBL wireless stereo earbuds under the Wave series that is budget friendly. This is the JBL Wave Beam True Wireless Stereo in-ear headphones, and I will be reviewing it in this video. So let's quickly get started with the items in the box. We have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, the JBL safety instruction and warranty card. We have the quick start guide. We have 2 extra pairs of ear tip replacements, and then the Wave Beam wireless earbuds inside this charging case. What I have in this video is the beige color, which I don't really like. I went for this because the store only had this color and the black available, and I wanted this in another color other than black. The Wave Beam also comes in white, mint, and blue colors. Now let's move on to the design of the charging case. The charging case is pretty simple. It has the JBL logo boldly inscribed on it here on the front of the case, with the battery and the charging indicator light line slightly above the logo, which I find very useful. The Type-C port for charging the case is located at the bottom here. At the back of the case is where all the certifications are. The case has a smooth finish and its size is similar to the size of some other brands' cases. It is made of plastic, and while it doesn't feel premium, which is expected of budget headphones, it is solid and sturdy. Opening the case and taking out the earbuds was easy. However, putting the earbuds back inside the charging case for me was a little bit tricky, as I needed to position them in a type of way before they could fit in. You may also face this same challenge a few times before you get used to the right way to go about it effortlessly. Moving on to the headphones. The Wave Beam headphones are simple in-ear headphones with a familiar look. They have the stem design that goes a little down your ear when you wear them. I love that they are lightweight and there are different sized ear tips included in the package. All you have to do is take your time to size each pair until you find a pair that fits your ears perfectly for a comfortable listening experience. However, these earbuds are not comfortable to wear for a long time, at least to my experience. I tend to always touch them or try to push them back in, as I keep getting the feeling they are falling off my ears, especially when trying to use the touch controls. The charging case is IPX2 rated, which protects this case from a few drops of water that falls only vertically at 15-degree angle. So this case has a low level of water protection and it is not dust proof. On the other hand, the headphones are IP54 rated, protecting the earbuds from water splashes from any angle. In a nutshell, keep the charging case away from dust, water, and other liquids, while the earbuds can withstand a little exposure to sweat and water splash. The battery of this Wave Beam lasts long, and according to JBL, the earbuds last for 8 hours off a single charge, while the charging case has 24 hours of battery life that offers multiple charges on the go, making it a total of 32 hours of impressive battery life. In addition to this, you can automatically shut off the headphones when they are not in use by using the auto timer feature on the app to help you conserve the battery energy. The Wave Beam has Bluetooth 5.2 with a stable connection, and connecting the earbuds to my phone was easy. Once the earbuds are taken out of the case, the 2 earbuds are automatically paired together. Just tap on the JBL Wave Beam under the available devices on your phone, and you are ready for the listening experience. The touch controls of these earbuds are simple. By default, a single tap on the right earbud pauses or plays the music, double tap to move forward to the next track, triple tap to move to the previous track, and then press and hold for a second to initiate the voice control. However, all this can be reassigned and personalized on the app. A major score point for these budget headphones is the sound quality they deliver. While the volume is not as high as some users might want it, they deliver great sound quality. The vocals are crystal clear and sharp. You can hear every instrument's frequencies and notes. The bass is low, which to me is a good thing because being too heavy on bass tends to cloud the other sound notes. If you're a bass lover, install the JBL Headphones app and customize the equalizer for extra bass. And if that still doesn't do it for you, you might want to consider other headphones options. The Wave Beam has an integrated microphone that has good recording quality. While on call, I was able to hear the person on the other end clearly. Using them indoors, it was able to separate my voice from the ambient noise around me. While using them outdoors, the background noise was noticeably audible. Another score point for these Wave Beam headphones is the access it has to the JBL Headphones app, which is a big plus for budget headphones like this. With this app, these headphones have access to many customization tools like the Ambient Aware feature, which lets in some ambient noise while you listen to music to keep you aware of your surroundings. It has the Talk Through feature, which lets in all the noise around you without removing your headphones, in case if you want to be part of a conversation while still having your headphones on. It also has the Voice Aware feature, which is handy for taking calls, as it lets you control how much of your voice you hear while you talk. The app also lets you choose between two modes, the audio mode for higher sound quality and the video mode for lower audio latency. It also has the parametric EQ and presets, which lets you adjust or personalize the sound to your liking. You can also map the earbuds touch controls and turn on the power saving mode from this app. On the downside, these headphones are simple headphones that lack some premium features like the ANC and the multi-device connection, which honestly to me isn't surprising, as this is a budget price headphone. Overall, the JBL Wave Beam wireless stereo headphones are pretty decent budget-friendly in-ear headphones with impressive sound quality. The headphones' access to JBL app is also a big plus, and I will recommend them to anyone looking to spend less on a pair of in-ear headphones while still getting value in terms of sound quality and access to an app for EQ customizations. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.